In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic transcriptions for your Zoom meetings using Otter.ai. This is a fantastic way to ensure that every important discussion and decision made during your virtual meetings is captured and easily accessible later on. Let's dive in and get everything set up. First, you're going to want to open your Chrome browser and navigate to Otter.ai. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to sign up, as having a personal or business account is necessary to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your main hub for accessing various features Otter.ai offers. Now, to link your Zoom account with Otter.ai for automatic transcription, head over to the settings menu. It's typically represented by a small gear icon, usually found in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on that, and you'll open up a range of options to customize your Otter.ai experience. From here, look for the section labeled Apps and Integrations. This is where you'll be able to see all the potential integrations that Otter.ai supports. Once you're in the Apps and Integrations section, scroll through the list of available apps until you find Zoom. Otter.ai supports a variety of integrations, but for the sake of this instruction, we're focusing on Zoom. Click on the Connect button next to Zoom. Doing this will redirect you to a Zoom authorization page. Here, you need to sign in to your Zoom account. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Rest assured, this step is standard procedure as it allows Otter.ai to access your Zoom recordings safely and securely. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for Zoom, make sure to have your phone or additional identification method ready. Once signed in, Zoom will ask you to authorize Otter.ai to access your meetings. This step is crucial as it gives Otter.ai the permission it needs to transcribe your meetings automatically. Click Authorize and you're all set. You've successfully connected Zoom with Otter.ai. From now on, Otter.ai will automatically transcribe your Zoom meetings, providing you with easy access to text versions of your discussions. This integration is incredibly beneficial, especially for those who need to review meeting content for detailed notes or who want to share accessible records with colleagues. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful integration that streamlines your workflow and enhances productivity. With the capability of turning your spoken words into detailed text, you'll never miss a beat during your meetings. Enjoy the ease and efficiency that comes with having a reliable transcription tool at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy transcribing.